I had a deep longing to give this online training to all of you who feels that they need support, how to modulate their energy, emotions, sexuality, and biological connection between masculine and feminine, so that you can have meaningful, conscious connection with someone that you love. And this is divided in 3 weeks online trainings. Each week we are going to come on Saturday and Sunday, and this is going to be an experiential journey where I would be giving in first part information, and then we will be doing meditation practices. So if you feel that it is the right time for you to come to a circle or a sangha where everybody wants to know what love is, how I can enhance conscious connection with another human being, how do I move through the sexuality and make it a sacred part of meditation, what is this dynamic between masculine and feminine, what causes all this confusion about it, why communication sometimes break down between these two polarities, and finally understanding love and meditation. Masculine has a different way of meditating and loving, and feminine has its own way. So this is a holistic online course that I would be offering in these 3 weeks. And I know that there's so many songs, poetry, painting has been done on the name of love, but still it remains a mystery. So the intention in this online course is not to demystify it, but make it more mysterious, and you become the master of living with the mystery, living with the unknown. Having some tools and technique with you so that when mysterious becomes unavoidable, unbearable, you can use those tools, come back to your center, start communicating with another human being on those levels. So if you resonate with this, come and join me on this online course. See you there. Namaste.